Installing a front I/O expansion board. Align the front I/O expansion board with the 5 screw holes on the chassis. Lower the front I/O expansion board into the chassis. Fasten the 5 screws to secure it to the chassis. Connect the power and signal cables to the front I/O expansion board. Cables will vary from model to model, so refer to the user guide for more information. If necessary, reinstall the network adapters. Install the top cover.